Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about parodies, part 5. So let me first make a parody right here. So here is a parody. This is the pretty obvious case of parody where you solve it to the most and it's still flipped. So this is the OL parody. So the algorithm, so just watch my fingers. And it's also going to be on the screen right now. So now you have the parody solved, and then you can solve the rest of the cube. So, as you know, I'm sorry I messed up. As you can know, parody cannot happen on the 3x3. And that is why 4x4 is, well, different from the 3x3. So if something is different from another thing, then it just obviously have something really different. So that is why we can have parody here. And yes. So next I'm going to talk about the PLL parody. Let me just solve this PLL case. So right now I'm using LBL. You definitely don't need to use it. I'm learning F2L right now, and hopefully I will have a video up soon with how to solve a cube using F2L, which is 3x3, the most advanced 3x3 course in bullet cubing. So, again, your cube. So the PLL parody is like this, where you have this and that. So, watch my fingers, and the algorithm is going to be on the screen right now. So this is a unique algorithm. So you also can do it on the, I'm sorry, I messed up again. So you also can do it on the left side, which my fingers doesn't like, but you can also do it like this. So on the left side. Okay, and that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. And next one is part 6. So remember to watch that video. That video is going to be all about finger tricks. Bye.